We are here in Sunnyvale at the station. New townhomes by Toll Brothers. Models are now open. Let's tour the first model, the Crossman, 4 beds, 3.5 baths, 2346 square feet. Let's check it out. You have a nice little front patio area. Immediately to your right, looks like it wraps around a little bit. Pretty good size. Let's come on in. Check out some of the model home features. Upgraded tile, flooring, countertops. We have a nice bedroom here, staged as the home office, with access to the front patio. You have a nice closet. And it has its private bathroom. Perfect for guests or grandparents. Multi-family living. Convenient access to the front patio area. You have some nice storage here. You have storage up top and down below. You can leave your shoes in there. Have a good sized closet here. Right underneath the stairwell. And this should be your garage. Side-by-side garage. Nice big garage, not tandem. All right, let's make our way upstairs. Nice open floor plan. Start at the kitchen. Have a nice sized fridge. Microwave. Stove. Lots of cabinets, lots of storage, as you can see. Six-burner gas stovetop.
The 2-bedroom has our standard appliances, just so you know.
Got it.
Everything else is gonna be upgraded.
Lots of storage.
Chance to look in our sales office, get a price sheet and all that,
Press sheet, yes.
and then we take your ticket and you get a little, you can do during the wrap. I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice Long Island.
There are 3 models.
Lots of windows.
This is the first one you've been in? This is our largest 4-bedroom, next door is gonna be our 2-bedroom.
Dining table, dining area. Cool light fixture. This townhouse actually stays pretty good. Nice open family room / living room. We have another patio area. Wraps around. You have a half bathroom down here. Right before we head up. Nice tall ceilings. Again, allows a lot of natural lighting. You have your laundry room, washer and dryer, with a lot of storage up top. You have another bedroom here. Good sized closet. Another bedroom. This looks like the kids' bedroom. Again, the staging here, they did a really good job with the staging. Nice closet. Got another full bathroom here. Some more storage. Nice deep closet with tall ceilings. Lots of shelves. Let's continue on to the primary bedroom. Perfect location here in the corner with 4 windows, allowing lots of natural light. Primary bathroom. Step-in shower. Again, nice tall ceilings. Little cubby for your shampoos. His and her sinks. And check out this primary walk-in closet. Again, lots of storage. You even got one that locks here for all your jewelry. Pretty fancy. And since this is a townhouse, all townhouses come with a rooftop terrace. Let's go check it out. Large window, 2 other windows, tall ceiling, lots of natural light, as you can see. And the rooftop terrace. A great size. Check out the views. Those are all condos currently being built across from the unit. We'll have one more look on the way down. If you or anyone you know is looking to purchase either a townhouse or a condo here in Sunnyvale, let me know. Great neighborhood, great schools, very walkable. Sunnyvale is just a great city to raise your kids. Let's go take a closer look at this community hangout spot here. And the kids' playground. The floor is nicely padded. It's another view. And it leads into a nice grassy area. Great spot to take the dogs out, let them run around. Again, new homes by Toll Brothers. Terraces at the station, now selling. If you know anybody looking to move into Sunnyvale or looking for something for yourself, let me know. Leave a comment. Contact me. Happy to get you in.